Welcome to TechGen Solutions. If you're looking for simple, clear, and reliable solutions for Wi-Fi and networking, you're in the right place. On this channel, we share step-by-step setup guides, troubleshooting tips, and smart solutions for routers, Wi-Fi extenders, mesh systems, and the latest wireless technology. Whether you're a beginner or a tech enthusiast, our goal is to help you get fast, stable, and secure internet without the confusion. So make sure to like, subscribe. Let's get started. In today's video, we'll guide you step-by-step process to set up to your Wi-Fi repeater and extend your wireless network. A Wi-Fi repeater boosts the signal of your existing network, helping you stay connected in known hard-to-reach areas. Let's get started. Start by unboxing your Wi-Fi repeater. Inside the package you should find the device itself, a user manual for guidance, and potentially Ethernet cable for wired connections. Carefully inspects all items to ensure they are intact and functioning properly before moving on. Next, find a suitable location for your repeater. It should be halfway between your router and the area where you want to improve coverage. Plug the device into a power outlet, and wait for the indicator lights to show that it's powered on. After plug in the repeater, and showing its power on, navigate to the Wi-Fi settings your smartphone or laptop. Look for the default network name, which typically displayed the brand or model number of the repeater, and connect to it. After connecting to the repeater, open your web browser and type in the IP address provided in the manual. This will open the setup page. Common IP address for repeaters, a 192.168.0.1 or 192.168.1.1, but refer to your user manual for the exact address. Once you're on the setup page, you'll need to log in. The default username and password are usually admin unless it's specified otherwise in the manual. Be sure to change these credentials later for better securities. Next, choose the option to link the repeater to your current Wi-Fi network. The repeater will initiate a scan for available networks in your vicinity. Once your home Wi-Fi network shows up in the list selected to establish the connection, enter the password for your home Wi-Fi networks. Make sure is correct to avoid any issues. After entering the password, click Connect or Next. The repeater will desync with your home Wi-Fi network. Once the connection is successful, you see confirmations message. The repeater will reboot and you should see the new network extend your Wi-Fi range. Now, reconnect your device to the new extended network. The name might be the same as your original network or with an extension like _ext. Once connected, test your internet speed to ensure you're getting improved coverage. Ultimately, it's essential to identify the optimal location for your Wi-Fi repeater. Position it within the effective range of your router's signal, where it still receives a strong and stable connection, for the best performance and connectivity.